It's Bruce from NUVO here, and today I'd like to introduce the NUVO TooT. The TooT is similar in many ways to a recorder, the one big difference being the position. When you play the TooT, you actually hold it side on like you would do for a full-size normal flute. And this is great for training young students the correct position for playing the flute. It's very easy to produce a sound on the TooT because we have this slightly different lip plate. This is called the Firstnote lip plate, and this actually produces a sound very easily in a similar way to how students would blow a recorder. It actually directs the air into the correct place to make a sound on the TooT. When students are confident getting a sound with the Firstnote lip plate, we can actually take this plate off and replace it with a standard lip plate as you would find on a normal flute. So then students can make the transition very easily onto a standard flute. Changing the lip plates is very easy, and there's actually another video that shows you how to do that. The range of the TooT is just over 1 octave, so there's a whole range of tunes that can be played, very similar again to the recorder. Like all NUVO instruments, it's completely waterproof, it's very easy to look after, can simply be washed with warm soapy water. So there it is, the NUVO TooT.